Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most insane machines on the road. And today, you're about to see something that takes trucking and motorhome luxury to a whole new level. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a smart mansion on wheels, and it comes from none other than Kenworth, the legendary maker of long-haul powerhouses. Now imagine a truck so powerful it can cross continents with ease, but inside, it feels like stepping into a 5-star luxury suite. That's exactly what the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome delivers. From the outside, you still get that iconic aerodynamic T2000 design, modern, sleek and bold, but the magic truly begins once you step inside. The living area greets you with a massive smart lounge, featuring a 4K entertainment wall, voice-controlled ambient lighting, and premium leather seating that transforms into recliners at the push of a button. Every corner has been designed to make you forget you're even on the road. The kitchen is pure brilliance, equipped with a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, hidden oven, and an AI-powered system that helps manage your groceries and even suggests recipes while you travel. The dining setup is built with rich wood finishes and polished accents, giving you that executive luxury vibe while you're rolling down the highway. The bedroom takes comfort to the next level. You're looking at a king-sized smart bed with memory foam, tech that adjusts to your posture, a panoramic skylight that can tint or clear at your command, and built-in climate control to keep the environment perfect every night. Step into the bathroom and you'll find a spa-like design, LED mood lighting, rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a smart mirror that doubles as a digital assistant. Yes, this is inside a Kenworth. And don't forget the brains behind it all. This motorhome is fully AI integrated. From navigation to managing power systems, security, and climate, everything is at your voice command or controlled from your smartphone. It's literally like having a luxury mansion that thinks for you, but on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is more than transportation. It's the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Power, comfort, luxury, and technology all fused into one unstoppable machine. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living on the road in this smart mansion on wheels?